Hello, little friends. It's Lucy here. Today, Lucy is going to explore a very fun forest and desert model with you. Here is a cool green forest, full of tall trees and fresh, clean air. Next to it is a hot, dry desert with big rocks, dry plants, and spiky cactus plants. Two very different worlds all in one model. Come on, let's watch, play, and learn together with Lucy. Let's get started. First, Lucy prepares the base of the model. Lucy makes a small hollow in the middle to create a cute little lake. Next, Lucy places rocky mountains and big and small stones around to make the land look high and low, just like nature. Lucy adds a small waterfall flowing into the lake and places a big tree nearby to make the scene feel cool and lively. Now, let's move to the desert area. Lucy spreads red sand over this part. Next, Lucy lines up colorful pebbles around the edge of the lake to separate the forest and the desert. Then, Lucy pours blue slime into the lake, making the water look clear and shiny. Now it's time to decorate the forest. Lucy adds green trees, grass, flowers, and moss to make the forest fresh and full of life. In the desert area, Lucy places a volcano, black rocks, and big stones, adds dry plants and small bushes to create a hot and wild feeling. Don't forget the cactus! Lucy adds desert plants and a few tiny details to make the desert stand out. Finally, Lucy carefully adjusts every little detail, making sure the forest looks cool and green, the desert looks dry and hot, and the lake in the middle shines brightly. The forest. Desert model is finished! Now let's start exploring the animals in each land together. Red parrot. Red parrots have bright red feathers. Their strong, curved beaks help crack seeds easily. They can fly well and climb quickly. Red parrots are smart and love copying sounds. They live in tropical forests. Parrots often live in noisy, happy groups. Brown bears are big and strong animals. Their thick fur keeps them warm. They eat plants and small animals. Bears are good at digging for food. They live in forests and mountains. During winter, bears sleep for a long time. Monkey. Monkeys are quick and very smart. They are great at climbing trees. Their long tails help them balance. Monkeys love eating fruit and seeds. They live together in playful groups. Monkeys enjoy playing all day long. Capybara. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world. They have round bodies and are very gentle. Capybaras love living near rivers and lakes. They swim well and enjoy soaking in water. They eat grass and water plants. Capybaras get along with many animals. Beaver. Beavers have big, strong front teeth. They use their teeth to chew wood and build dams. Beavers live near rivers, streams, and ponds. Their flat tails help them swim well. They eat tree bark and plants. Beavers help create homes for other animals. Tree frog? Tree frogs have small bodies and smooth skin. They are often green to blend in. Sticky feet help them climb easily. They live on trees and near water. They eat small insects. Tree frogs are active at night. Red poison frog? Red poison frogs have bright colors. Their colors warn enemies to stay away. They have poison on their skin. They live in wet rainforests. They eat ants and tiny insects. They need clean environments to live. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are very small. Their skin contains strong poison. Bright colors help protect them. They live in tropical forests. They eat insects and tiny animals. They are sensitive to nature changes. Stork. Storks have long legs and slim necks. They stand in water to find food. They eat fish, frogs, and insects. Storks fly high and gently. They live near rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Storks are symbols of peace. Tiger. Tigers have beautiful striped fur. They are strong hunters. Tigers move quietly through forests. They eat large animals. Tigers live alone and guard their land. They help balance forest life. Deer. Deer have slim, fast bodies. Male deer often grow large antlers. They live in groups in forests. Deer eat grass, leaves, and young shoots. They are very alert to danger. Deer are gentle and shy animals. Banded crate snake. Banded crates have long, smooth bodies. They move quickly and smoothly. Their tongues help them smell the air. They eat small animals. They live in forests and bushes. Snakes help keep nature balanced. Panda. Pandas have cute black and white fur. They live in bamboo forests. Their favorite food is bamboo shoots. Pandas move slowly. They love eating and resting. Pandas are specially protected animals. Ferret. Ferrets have small, slender bodies. They move fast and smoothly. They live in forests and bushes. They eat insects and small animals. They hunt mostly at night. Ferrets help control insects. Dimetrodon. Dimetrodon had a big sail on its back. The sail helped control body heat. It lived long before dinosaurs. Dimetrodon ate meat. Sharp teeth helped catch prey. It was not a real dinosaur. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus had 2 horns on its head. It could run very fast. Its arms were small, but legs were strong. Carnotaurus ate meat. It lived in prehistoric times. Sharp teeth helped it hunt well. Theropod dinosaur. Theropods were meat-eating dinosaurs. They walked on 2 back legs. They had sharp teeth and claws. Theropods came in many sizes. Some could run very fast. They are ancestors of birds today. Armored dinosaur. Armored dinosaurs had hard body armor. The armor protected them from danger. They ate plants and moved slowly. Their tails often had sharp spikes. They lived in groups. They were hard to attack. Deinosuchus. Deinosuchus looked like a giant crocodile. It lived near rivers and swamps. It had very strong jaws. Deinosuchus was a dangerous hunter. It lived in prehistoric times. Its huge size scared enemies. Ichthyosaur. Ichthyosaurs lived fully in the water. They looked like modern dolphins. They swam fast and smoothly. They ate fish and sea animals. They breathed air with lungs. They lived in ancient oceans. Tylosaurus. Tylosaurus was a large sea reptile. It had a long, strong body. A powerful tail helped it swim. Tylosaurus ate meat. It ate fish and sea creatures. It ruled prehistoric seas. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a giant sea hunter. It had sharp, scary teeth. Its long body helped it swim fast. It lived deep in the ocean. It ate fish and sea reptiles. It was very dangerous long ago. Three-horned dinosaur. This dinosaur had 3 big horns. The horns helped protect it. It ate plants and lived in groups. Its body was large and strong. It was gentle and calm. It lived in prehistoric times. Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus had crests on its head. Its body was slim and fast. It was a meat-eating dinosaur. It lived in ancient times. Sharp teeth helped catch small prey. It was easy to recognize. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus had a long crest on its head. The crest helped make sounds. It lived in groups. Parasaurolophus ate plants. Strong legs helped it move quickly. It looked very special and unique. So we have explored together many animals living in the forest, the desert, and the lake. Each animal has its own special features. Thank you for watching with Lucy. See you on our next adventure.